Hi, and welcome to this channel where I teach science and scientific communication. Today I want to talk about grades and scholarship application success. I'm Dr. Andrew Terhemen Tyowua, and I help candidates secure scholarships without difficulties, either locally in their home countries or internationally away from their home countries abroad. If you want to reach out to me, you can do so using the email address displayed here on the screen. Last week, I got a message from one of my candidates who is taking the course, How to Make Strong and Competitive Postgraduate Scholarship Application and consequently increase chances of success. This candidate reached out and said previously, before taking the course, they thought that securing scholarship was all about good grades. Securing scholarship abroad, US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, all these English-speaking countries, and perhaps other countries, it's not all about good grades. And by good grades, I'm referring to first class, second class upper. People think that they have to have these kinds of grades before they can consider themselves worthy of applying for scholarships. That is not the case. I have seen candidates who made second class lower, even third class secure scholarships. So it's not all about good grades. In these countries I have mentioned, there are scholarships for diverse group of people. The top scoring students, and that's the first class, second class upper, as well as students in other category, students who haven't had strong grades. And even for those scholarships where strong grades are required, there are other aspects that are also considered before making the award. For example, prestigious scholarships like the Chevening scholarship, the Fulbright, they consider other things in addition to grades: leadership experience or potential, professional experience, that's work experience, networking, the plan of the candidates to contribute to society after they've completed the program. So if a candidate has the basic educational background required for a particular area, that is, you've got the foundation, you've got the right courses, say in any area you want to study, chemistry, biology, physics, or some specific areas, if you've got the right foundation, then your grade shouldn't deter you from applying, because there are other aspects that are going to be considered before the award is going to be made. So don't reject yourself from an opportunity. Go out there, make your application. And bear in mind, you won't be considered for something you haven't applied for. So it's worth trying. Try is better to try and fail than not try at all. On this note, I encourage you to take the course which this candidate took and came back to me. The course is entitled How to Make Strong and Competitive Postgraduate Scholarship Application. Scholarships in general are highly competitive, bear that in mind, and you have to be truly competitive in terms of your expertise, in terms of your experience to secure one. So this course covers everything you need to know or you need to do to make your scholarship application strong and competitive, and consequently increase your chances of success. The link to the course is in the video description. If you struggle to cover the cost of the course, I encourage you to pair up with somebody who you think is also working towards scholarship applications. And in addition to this, I'll be reading all the documents of every candidate taking this course so that their chances of securing the scholarship they are applying to will be greatly enhanced. On this note, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. If you have done so, thank you for that. I also encourage you to leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know your experience with scholarship application. Thirdly, I encourage you to share this video with other people you think are pursuing scholarships in different countries, either locally or internationally, so that they will learn from this information and also take advantage of the course I have advertised to improve their chances of success. And thank you. Bye now.